I'm Madhav and CEO of Realme India. It's good to be back with you all again. Now let's get started. Let me welcome Nidhi to kickstart the Narzo journey.
Hi guys, Nidhi here, the product manager of realme Narzo. Design has always been an essential part for realme. And this time, we are bringing a completely unique and never seen before design. First is a blue variant, which is so blue. And of course, the second color is an elegant white, which is also so white. The Realme Narzo 10A comes with a huge 6.5-inch display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. The impressive 6.5-inch big screen with a mini drop notch has a screen-to-body ratio of 89.8%. The Narzo 10A features the powerful MediaTek Helio G70 processor. It is an 8-core 12-nanometer processor that clocks up to 2.0 GHz. The chipset has an amazing 150% performance improvement compared with the last generation in the same price segment. The Narzo 10A has an Antutu benchmark score of around 193,000, giving you the best performance in this segment. This is a score that is even higher than other models in a higher price segment. It is also the only chipset in this segment that supports the HD high graphic settings by default. To further give you the best experience, we are bringing a massive 5000 mAh battery. The Narzo 10A also supports reverse charging. Though it would need an OTG cable to achieve this function, at key moments, it can charge other devices just like a power bank. The 12-megapixel rear main camera features a 5p f1.8 large aperture lens with a 1.25 micron pixel size. It can zoom up to 4x and supports PDF autofocus. We are also bringing a macro lens this time that lets you shoot tiny objects. The AI triple camera setup is something that sets Narzo 10A apart from the others. On the front, the Narzo 10A features a 5-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.4 aperture and 1.12 micron lens. The phone is enhanced with an all-rounder protection internally as well. And of course, the triple slot. So you can use 2 SIM cards and an external memory card simultaneously. Last but not the least, the fast fingerprint scanner of the Narzo 10A is the fastest in the market right now. Now, please allow me to introduce Sri Hari on stage to talk more about the Narzo 10.
I'm Sri Hari, Product Manager, Realme India. We have 2 colors for the Narzo 10. One is called that green, and the other one is that white. Designs that are subtle, yet make you stand out. We are glad to announce that the Narzo 10 is the first phone in India to come with MediaTek Helio G80 processor. The Helio G80 is made up of a pair of Cortex A75 cores and 6 Cortex A55 cores, so that the whole CPU provides a 35% increase in single-core performance and 17% increase in multi-core performance. You're waiting to see the benchmarks. So the Narzo 10 with the Helio G80 scores a whopping 201,278 compared with some other popular devices. For example, the Realme 5 Pro that comes with Snapdragon 712, the Narzo 10 outperforms even that on Antutu score. We took the Narzo 10 and we tried to play Mobile Legends and PUBG with it. Now on Mobile Legends, the average frame rate while gaming for the Narzo 10 was close to 60 FPS. It means you can enjoy smooth and responsive gaming just as if you have a high-end smartphone. The Narzo 10 comes with a whopping 128 GB storage inside, which makes it one of the only phones in this segment to do that. The 48-megapixel quad camera features a higher resolution sensor. With the larger sensor size, the 48-megapixel main camera performs better in low light conditions too. The 119 degrees ultra-wide angle lens provides 4 times field of view, that's this wide, than ordinary. The portrait lens allows you to make more professional portraits just like you were a pro photographer. And the icing on the cake is that the macro lens allows you to capture smaller details of life. The wide-angle camera just opens up your perspective. So the 4-centimeter macro lens will keep you immersed in macro photography. The Narzo 10 is also equipped with a portrait lens. You can easily take portraits in different scenes with different light effects. Also, the Narzo 10 comes equipped with super nightscape mode, which allows you to take photos under the dark environment. The front camera is a 16 megapixel sensor on the Narzo 10. In Narzo 10, we have managed to pack in a massive 5000 mAh battery. It's actually the largest battery that we have in Realme phones. The Narzo 10 could charge the Realme Buds Air more than 5 times. Along with the big battery, the brand new Narzo 10 comes with an 18-watt quick charger in the box. We retain the large screen that users like, 6.5 inches, with a water drop notch that makes the screen to body ratio go up to 89.8%. The eye care mode within the Narzo 10 makes sure that your eyes don't hurt, so that even if you're using the phone for a long time, you will be safe.
Thanks, Sri, and thanks, Nidhi, for presenting the very first two Narzo smartphones, the 48 megapixel camera phone with epic gaming performance and a triple cam A-class power pack. And the price for Narzo 10A would be 8,499 rupees only. We have one 4GB, 128GB in Narzo 10, and it's going to be priced at 11,999 rupees. That's all for our first Narzo series launch.